Howdy y'all, let's do an unboxing. You already knew what you were here for. I actually have quite a few Amazon packages this week, which is bad. I've been doing so good about not shopping, but with moving and stuff, I have so many Amazon packages coming in. And we also have quite a few PR, so let's just open it all together. First off to start, Xander was actually sent a PR package from a brand. They sent him like a collared shirt, a sweater, and some pants, I think. So that's exciting for him. Next up, Vensger, I think is how you say it, sent me some cutie little pickleball paddles. I'm so excited. Xander and I have been loving to play pickleball. Oh, they sent 2 balls with it too. I think these are giving retro Barbie. I love them. Then Coco Reef Swim let me pick out a cutie little swimsuit. So one, look at these bottoms. I absolutely love like the knot and tie on the sides. And then this top to go with it. It's giving mermaid for me. And then there's also a swimsuit cover up. Love. I needed a restock from Cleans the Bleats, and so I got peachy super greens and then their tropical super greens. Love these every morning. JS Health sent me some more goodies. So they sent me their Vitality and Collagen. This is their Glow and Vitalize one. And then their Detox and Deep Glow. Absolutely love both of these. I got some more Mighty patches from Hero. I had to hop on the trend, so I got the Advanced Nail Mucin Powder Essence from CosRX. Just a car charger. I also got bamboo toothbrushes. Xander and I both use electric toothbrushes. Why do I need these? I don't, but I got them. Another 3 a.m. buy. This oil sprayer. I thought it was cute. Dr. Idris sent me some goodies. They sent me their Major Fade Hyper Serum. This is an instantly illuminating serum, as well as their Major Fade Active Seal. This is a vitamin C gel moisturizer. Also from Dr. Idris is this Major Fade Flash Mask. This is an exfoliating mask. I have some new cutie little cases that came in for my new phone. Some more 3 a.m. purchases. I got this eye heater and massager. I was hoping it'd help with my migraines, so we'll see. And then also this at-home laser hair removal. We'll see about that. And then a gel nail polish kit because some of my nail polishes are running low for my gel kit. Next, Kaja Beauty sent me some goodies. They sent me some of their blush and lip multi-balms. These are their dewy bars, and so they sent me 6 of those. I'm excited to try those out. Guys, this has to be a freaking prank. What? L'Occitane sent me some goodies. Let's open them together. They literally have a wax seal with their brand name. Their premiere. At the front door. Oh my gosh. So they sent me 3 of their hand creams. Absolutely love this stuff. I got 3 of their hand creams. They also sent some mini goodies. They sent 3 of their nail and cuticle oils, as well as 1 of their almond oil shower oils and 2 of their mini almond oil shower oils. Thank you so much, L'Occitane. I'm obsessed. Now moving on to some clothes. I needed some all black shoes for work, so I just got some random ones on Amazon that I can wear a couple times. I got these really cute black dress pants. I'm so excited to try these on. Also with the clothes, I have this in hot pink and I'm obsessed. It is so cute. It's this jumpsuit. And so I also got the same thing in black and royal blue because it's just so cute. I got this pink PJ set, so it's like a button-up top and then a pair of shorts to go with it. And then I also got this white dress that I thought I could use for bridal things because I thought it was super cute. Next, I placed an order on He Would Love First. They sent this little choker necklace, I think, with my purchase, and then these little beaded bracelets, as well as this bracelet, and I wear these bracelets like every single day, so I absolutely love them. And then I got a few shirt goodies, so this is my first one that I got, and it has a little cross, and it says good news. I also got this tan shirt, and the back says love never gives up, and so does the front. I think that is so cute. And then lastly, I got this green shirt. This has been one of my favorite colors to wear lately. This is a comfort color shirt, and it says, I heart Jesus, and it's embroidered. They're so cute. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a blessed, wonderful day. Love you. Bye.